Hello students, welcome to divisibility test series. Today we are going to discuss divisibility by 13. What is the divisibility test? See, the given number is divisible by 13 if the difference between the number formed by last 3 digits and the number formed by remaining digits difference is divisible by 13, then the given number is also divisible by 13. Okay, but for divisibility by 13 another one test is there, means two tests we are going to learn today. Anyone you are feeling easy, you can apply that one. Okay, let's see what is the second test. Second test is multiply ones place digit by 4. Ones place digit we have to check, and that digit have to multiply by 4, and which product we are getting, that product have to add to remaining number, and if it is divisible by 13, then the given number is divisible by 13. Okay, let's discuss with examples what is the test actually working. Okay, see, first example is 1,93,128. We will apply first divisibility test by 13. What is the first divisibility test? Check last 3 digits 1 to 8. Number formed is 128. Subtract this number from another number because 193 is greater than 128. Then see, 193 minus 128, 13, 8, 13 minus 8, 5, 8 minus 2, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. And 65 is divisible by 13 or not? Yes, 13 5s are 65, or you can check by actual division method. 65 divided by 13, 13 5s are 65. 65 is divisible by 13 means the given number 1,93,128 is also divisible by 13. Then same number we will check by applying second test. What is the second test? Check last ones place digit. What is the ones place digit? It is 8. Multiply ones place digit by 4, means 8 4s are 32. Add these 32 to remaining number. See here, then 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 1 4, 3 9 and 1. But this also bigger number. Then continue same process. Multiply last digit by 4. 4 4s are 16. Product add to remaining number. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5, 9 1, 1950. Again continue same process. 0 into 4. See here, we know any number multiply by 0, answer we are getting 0 only, means product is 0 only. Means this step you not return, then also okay, but if you are getting confusion about this, you can write it. 0 into 4, 0, add 0 to 195, 5, 9 and 1, 195. Again same process, ones place digit, multiply by 4, 5 4s are 20, add this 9, 2 plus 1 3, and now we know 39 is divisible by 13. Yes, 13 3s are 39. 39 is divisible by 13. So the given number 1,93,128 is also divisible by 13. Okay, understood? Then see here, what is the important in second test? While doing this calculation, ones place digit we are not adding again here. See, wherever given ones place digit I have marked there by square, and that digit we are not getting it as a addition. Okay, while doing the addition we are not repeating that number. Okay, now see, first example we have checked by applying the two tests also. and we got the given number is divisible by 13. But then also we will check it by carry out long division method. Let's check. 13 ones are 13. 9 minus 3 6. 1 minus 1 0. Carry 3. 13 4s are 52. 3 minus 2 1. 6 minus 5 1. Carry out 1. 111. 13 8s are 104. 11 minus 4 7. Here 0. 1 minus 1 0. Carry out next digit, that is 2. 72 and 13 5s are 65. 12 minus 5 7. 6 minus 6 0. Carry out next digit 8. 13 6s are 78 and 78 minus 78 0. Remainder comes 0, means the given number is completely divisible by 13. Okay, means what we checked before, that also correct. Clear? Second example is 8,51,149. Apply first test. Check out last 3 digit number formed is 149, and see here 149 is smaller than 851. So here 851 minus 149. 11 minus 9 2. Here 4 minus 4 0. 8 minus 1 7. Let's check 702 is divisible by 13 or not. 13 5s are 65. 10 minus 5 5. 6 minus 6 0. Carry out 2. 13 4s are 52. Yes, this number is divisible by 13. So the given number 8,51,149 is divisible by 13. Easy na? Yes. Then apply here second test. Check out ones place digit, that is 9. Multiply 9 by 4. 9 4s are 36. Add 36 to remaining number. This divisibility test is similar to like, yes, divisibility by 7. 4 plus 6 10. 1. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. 1 5 and 8. Again bigger number we got. So carry out process same. Again here see 0 into 4 0. So let that stay. We will continue with 5. 5 into 4 20. Add 22. Remaining number 1. 5 plus 2 7 8. Here students understood now why we skipped this process, because 0 into 4 product we are getting 0 only. So and 0 added to any number we are getting same number. So here this step skipped. Then again 871 means 3 digit number. You can check here or further you can carry out the next digit. 1 into 4 4. Add 4 to 87. 91 and 91 is divisible by 13. Yes, 13 7s are 91. 91 is divisible by 13. So the given number 8,51,149 is also divisible by 13. Okay, clear? If you want to check given number is divisible by 13 or not, you can check by carry out long division method. Okay, but at the exam time, to save time, especially for competitive exams, we have to remember this test and have to apply. Okay, let's discuss third example. What is the third example? 90,46,361. Let's apply first divisibility test by 13. Check out last 3 digit. Which number formed 361, and remaining digits are 4, means 9046 is bigger number than 361. Then remember, always subtract smaller number from greater number. 9046 minus 361. 6 minus 1 5. 14 minus 6 8. 9 minus 3 6 and 8. 8685. Now here see again check out 4 digit number. So last 3 digit number found is 685. Then subtract 8 from 685. 15 minus 8 7. 7 and 6. Now check 677 is divisible by 13 or not. 13 5s are 65. 7 minus 5 2. 6 minus 6 0. Carry out 7. 13 2s are 26. See here 7 minus 6 remainder is 1, means 677 is not divisible by 13. It means the given number 90,46,361 is also not divisible by 13. See here, for same example we are going to apply second rule. What is the second rule? Ones place digit check. What it is here? 1 multiply by that digit 4. Product we are getting 1 4s are 1. Product add to remaining number. Then add product means 4 to remaining number. 6 plus 4 10. 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4. 6 4 0 9. Now again check ones place digit. But here see we got ones place digit is 0. And we know when any number multiply by 0, product is 0. So we are going to skip this step. Then next step continue by this 4. 4 4s are 16. Add 16 to remaining number. 6 plus 6 12. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 0 and 9. 9062. Again check ones place digit 2. Multiply it by 4. 2 4s are 8. Add 8 to remaining number. 8 plus 6 14. 914. Now here also you can check 914 is divisible by 13 or not. But we can do further by doing same process. Multiply 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 6 plus 1 7. 9 plus 1 10. See here also 3 digit number was there, that is 940. You can check here, here or any smaller digit you got, up to that you can continue same process. But just remember, while adding the product, skip ones place digit which we are going to multiply. Okay. Then here see 107 is divisible by 13 or not. Check. 13 8s are 104 and remainder is 3, means 107 is not divisible by 13. Therefore, the given number 90,46,361 is also not divisible by 13. Okay. Here we solved by applying 2 rules. Which one you are feeling easy, you can apply that rule. Okay. What is the fourth example? See, what is the fourth example? 1 crore 28 lakh 13,762. Then we are going to apply first rule. Check out last 3 digits. Number found is 762. Subtract 762 from remaining digit. Which number found the 12,813 from that. Minus 762. 3 minus 2 1. 11 minus 6 5. 7 minus 7 0 2 and 1. Now here see bigger number we got 5 digit. Again continue by same rule applying 51 and 12. Why only 2 digit? Because 0 is here. While considering last 3 digit number formed is 0 5 1, means only 51 we have to take it. Then 51 minus 12. Always remember subtract smaller number from greater number. Then 11 minus 2 9. 4 minus 1 3 and 39 is divisible by 13. Yes, 13 3s are 39. 13 3s are 39. Remainder is 0 means 39 is divisible by 13. Therefore, the given number 1,28,13,762 is also divisible by 13. Now, we are going to apply second rule for same example. What is the second rule? Check ones place digit, multiply it by 4, 2 4s are 8, add product to remaining number. Add 8 to remaining number, 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 3 1 8 2 1. Again ones place digit is 4, multiply 4 to 4, 4 4s are 16, add 16 to remaining number, 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5, 1 8 2 1. Still we are getting bigger number, so continue with same process. Again 4 4s are 16, 6 plus 5 11, 3 8 2 8, sorry 1 2. Okay, again continue by doing same process. 1 into 4 4, add 4 to remaining number, 7 8 2 1. Again same process, 7 4s are 28, 5 1. 156. You can check here or further you can do. 6 4s are 24, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 1 3. Again we got answer 39, and 39 now only here we have checked out. 39 is divisible by 13. So the given number 1,28,13,762 is divisible by 13. Okay, I hope concept are cleared up, but still we are discussing next one more example. What is the fifth example? 1,73,13,205. Check this number is divisible by 13 or not by applying first rule. 205 last 3-digit number formed. Then subtract 205 from remaining number, which number formed 17,313 minus 205. 13 minus 5 8, 0, 3 minus 2 1, 7 and 1. Now here see, again we got 5-digit number. Continue same process. Check out last 3-digit number found is 108. Then subtract 17 from 108 minus 17. 8 minus 7 1. Here 10. Here 0. 91. Then difference is 91. And 91 is divisible by 13. Yes. 91 divided by 13. 13 sevens are 91. Remainder is 0 means 91 is divisible by 13. So the given number 1,73,13,205 is also divisible by 30. By applying second test, we are going to check. See, ones place digit is 5. Multiply 5 by 4. 5 4s are 20. Add product to remaining number. 0, 2 plus 2 4, 3 1, 3 7 and 1. Ones place digit 0 means we have to skip that, and we are going to consider before digit, that is 4. 4 4s are 16. Add 16 to remaining number. 3 plus 6 9, 1 plus 1 2, 3 7 1. Continue with 9. 9 4s are 36. Addition check. 6 plus 2 8, 6 7 1. 8 4s are 32. 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry 2. 8 4s are 32. 2 and 3 plus 2 5. We got answer 52, and 52 is divisible by 13. Yes, 13 4s are 52. So the given number 1,73,13,205 is also divisible by 13. I hope both rules all of you understood. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get the latest updates. Once again, thanks for watching.